Hello everybody, welcome to Python programming examples for beginners and professional video series. In this video, I'm going to explain about a program with respect to strings. That is, Python program to count the frequency of occurrence of given character within another string. So that means you have to take one string from the user and one input character from the user. You have to check how many times that character is present in the taken string. Let us see the code. Here is my PyCharm editor. Now the question is, write a Python program to count the frequency of occurrence of a given character within another string. So that means here I have to read one sentence, one string from the user. So I'll make use of the input function. I'll store it in a variable called message. I'll take the character. I'll declare the count variable. Count is equal to 0. I'll use the for loop to iterate through the sentence. For I in message. I will check that whatever character I have read, CHR is equal to I, then I should increment the count. Count is equal to count plus 1. Now I'm incrementing the count. This for loop will repeat until the end of this string, which we have stored in a variable called a message. Now after that, I'll check if count greater than 0. If count is greater than 0, that means we have some character present in the string. So that I'll print the occurrence of given character, that is CH, in given string, given sentence or a string. Given sentence is equal to, I'll print count, comma, times. That means these many times I'm printing it. Else, if count is less than 0, that means there is no character present in the sentence. No character in the sentence. I will run this. One error we are getting, instead of comparison, we have used assignment operator. I should put one more equal to symbol. I'll save this. I'll run it once again. Now you can see that it's asking me enter the sentence. Enter hello world. I'll press enter. Now it's asking me enter the character. I'll press O. Now you can see here you are getting, because O is there in this string, so we are getting the occurrence of a given character O in a given sentence is equal to 2 times. You can see here in the hello world, the O is there 2 times. Here is 1 in the hello, in the world is 1. Student, I hope you understood this program. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.